Hi YouTube, this is Caleb Wan with John R. Carpenter Insurance out of the big town of Stroud, Oklahoma. And today I'm going to talk to you about a subject that has recently come up in my family. My grandpa purchased a vehicle and he was charged almost $900 for gap insurance. And so I got to looking into that, and I'm an insurance agent for a living, and gap insurance pays the difference if your vehicle is in a wreck in what you owe on the vehicle and what the vehicle is actually worth. So there are a lot of situations where you can get into where the vehicle is worth less than what you owe on it. Depreciation is a huge thing when you buy a new vehicle. Most vehicles lose about 10% of the value as soon as you drive them off the lot, and in the first year they lose around 20% of their value. That's the most rapid time period for diminution of value. And so what you can do is you can buy on your insurance policy what they call loan lease coverage. It's a different terminology, but it does the same thing. If you are in a total loss, it will pay the difference in what you owe on your vehicle and what your vehicle is worth. So at that point, you would only have to worry about your deductible. And what car dealerships do is they sell you gap insurance. That's what they call it. And it's very expensive. So my grandfather bought a vehicle. It was $900 for the gap insurance. It was financed into the loan, which means that he's paying interest on his gap insurance. In addition, it's about 4 times as expensive as it would be to buy it on your automobile insurance policy. So he pays roughly $12 a month, and on his insurance policy, he could have gotten that same coverage for around $3 a month. So something to consider next time you're buying a new vehicle. Gap coverage or loan lease coverage is a very important thing to have. Make sure you're educated and know exactly what you're getting into, and you're getting the most value for your insurance dollar. So some of the areas where you could be getting in an issue is if you get a really long term for your loan. It will make it to where you pay off your vehicle very slowly, and so your vehicle can depreciate very quickly and end up with less value than what you had. It's not worth as much as you owe on it. Other things can be a really high interest rate, so that slows down the payment of your loan term. So any questions, give us a holler, 918-968-2532. My email is cwonn@carpenteragency.com. Again, this is Caleb Wan with John R. Carpenter Insurance in Stroud, Oklahoma. Thank you and have a good day.